Your body wash could be wrecking your skin right now without you even knowing it. My name is Joseph, and today I'm exposing 7 popular American body wash brands you need to throw out of your shower today. Plus, 3 safer ones actually worth your money. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss these eye-opening reviews. Body wash brands to skip. Number 7. Irish Spring Body Wash. Irish Spring is one of the oldest names in American bathrooms, owned by Colgate-Palmolive, and you can find it in more than 40,000 stores across the USA, including Walmart, Target, and Dollar General. The main cleaner inside the bottle is sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a very strong detergent that can pull your skin's natural oils away in under 3 minutes of shower time. That famous fresh smell you love comes from a fragrance mix that legally hides more than 3,000 possible chemicals under just one word, fragrance, named on the back label. A 2022 US consumer survey showed that nearly 35% of Irish Spring users complained about tight, itchy, or rough skin after using it during winter months. The bottle also has artificial green and blue colors that do nothing for your skin and only exist to make the product look cool and cold on the store shelf. Cons: artificial green dye added, cap leaks during travel, strong smell, stings eyes, heavy plastic, not recyclable, tested on animals overseas. Price around $5 per bottle. Number 6. Axe Body Wash. Axe is owned by Unilever and became a massive hit with American teenage boys in the early 2000s, pulling in over $500 million in yearly global sales during its peak years. The real problem is that Axe is built on fragrance first and skincare last. A single bottle can contain 40 to 60 different synthetic scent chemicals, which is why you can smell Axe from 10 feet away in any school hallway. The US Environmental Working Group has given most Axe body washes a danger score between 5 and 7 on their 1 to 10 scale, where higher numbers mean more skin and health concerns. The cheap sulfate cleaners inside also leave a sticky film on the skin, and that is one big reason why so many young men report back acne, chest breakouts, and clogged pores after months of daily use. The strong cologne-style scent is the main selling point, but it is also the main reason dermatologists keep telling men to stop using it. Cons: stains light-colored clothes, pump breaks too quickly, scent too strong for women, heavy plastic bottle waste, scent triggers sneezing fits, price around $6 per bottle. Be honest, did you spray or use Axe body wash back in your school days? Drop a yes or no in the comments below. Number 5. Old Spice Body Wash. Old Spice is owned by Procter & Gamble and is one of the top 3 best-selling men's body washes in the United States, with more than 25 million bottles sold every single year across the country. The brand is famous for its cologne-style scent, but that scent comes from a heavy synthetic fragrance mix. That is the main reason dermatologists regularly put Old Spice on their do not recommend list for any man with sensitive skin. The 2 main cleaners inside are sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium lauryl isethionate, and both of these are known to pull moisture out of the skin and leave it feeling tight and rough within just a few hours after showering. A 2023 dermatology review linked fragrance-heavy body washes like Old Spice to a sharp rise in contact rashes, especially in American men between the ages of 18 and 35 who use the product every single day. The bottle also uses a preservative called methylisothiazolinone, which was once named Allergen of the Year by the American Contact Dermatitis Society. Cons: sting shaving cuts badly, scent lingers too long, too strong for kids, bottle-shaped waste product, contains artificial blue dye, price around $7 per bottle. Number 4. Dial Body Wash. Dial is owned by Henkel Consumer Brands and is one of the oldest germ-killing soap names in America, with the brand going back to 1948 and sitting inside more than 30 million US homes today. The body wash version is sold as antibacterial and deep cleansing, but that cleaning power comes from very harsh sulfate detergents combined with strong antibacterial chemicals that can wipe out both bad and good bacteria on your skin. The truth is, your skin actually needs its good bacteria to stay healthy, and using antibacterial body wash every day can destroy that natural protection within just 2 to 3 weeks of regular use. The fragrance load inside Dial is also very heavy, around 15 to 25 different scent chemicals per bottle, which is why users with sensitive skin often report red bumps, rashes, or itching after only a few showers. In 2016, the FDA even banned triclosan, the old main ingredient in Dial antibacterial soaps, after safety concerns were raised. Cons: kills good skin bacteria, artificial yellow dye used, too harsh for babies, plastic waste per bottle, overpriced for cheap formula, price around $5 per bottle. Number 3. Suave Body Wash. Suave is one of the cheapest body wash brands in the entire United States, owned by Unilever, and you can find it in nearly every dollar store and discount chain, with prices usually under $3 per bottle. But that very low price comes with a very big cost. Suave uses some of the harshest and cheapest synthetic cleaners in the industry, mainly sodium lauryl sulfate, which can irritate human skin at levels as low as just 0.5% concentration. The brand sells more than 100 million units every year in the USA, yet it scores poorly on the Environmental Working Group database, with many Suave variants rated 6 or 7 out of 10 on the hazard scale, where higher means more harmful. Each bottle reportedly contains 20 to 35 hidden scent chemicals, which is why so many users complain about sneezing, watery eyes, and a burning feeling on the skin after use. Worst of all, Suave formulas often contain methylparaben and propylparaben, two preservatives that a 2022 study linked to hormone disruption concerns in both men and women. Cons: parabens linked to hormones, very watery thin texture, bottle design feels cheap, artificial pink and blue dyes, scent fades within minutes, price around $3 per bottle. Real talk? Who here bought Suave just because it was the cheapest bottle on the shelf? Tell me in the comments below. Number 2, Olay Body Wash. Olay is owned by Procter & Gamble and is one of the top 5 best-selling body wash brands for women in the United States, pulling in over $200 million in yearly US sales with a strong marketing promise of moisturizing and age-defying skin. But here is the truth. That smooth, silky feeling you get after showering with Olay is not real moisture at all. It is a layer of synthetic silicones, like dimethicone and cyclopentasiloxane, that coat your skin and trick your brain into thinking it's hydrated. Over time, this silicone coating traps dead skin cells, fragrance residue, and bacteria, which is one of the biggest reasons so many long-term users report body acne, clogged pores, and dull skin after just 4 to 6 weeks of daily use. The fragrance load in Olay is also among the heaviest in the mass market, with some variants containing over 40 different scent chemicals that trigger allergic reactions in nearly 1 in 10 American women with sensitive skin. The moisturizing promise is much more marketing than real science. Cons: pump breaks after weeks, hard to rinse fully, bottle design waste product, overpriced for the ingredients, artificial pearl shine coloring added, price around $8 per bottle. Number 1. Dove Body Wash. Dove is the number 1 best-selling body wash brand in the entire United States, owned by Unilever. With over $400 million in yearly US sales and shelf space in more than 80% of American grocery stores. The famous slogan, "1 quarter moisturizing cream," has made millions of Americans believe Dove is the safest and gentlest choice for the whole family. But the ingredient list tells a very different story than the happy TV commercials. Even the sensitive skin version of Dove Body Wash contains synthetic fragrance masking agents, sodium lauryl isethionate, cocamidopropyl betaine, and a preservative called DMDM hydantin, which is known to slowly release formaldehyde inside the bottle over time. A 2023 Consumer Skin Health Report tested 200 popular body washes and found that Dove variants cause skin irritation in nearly 12% of users with sensitive skin, which is 4 times higher than what a truly gentle formula should show. That soft, creamy feeling you love mostly comes from added stearic acid and glycerin, but the harsh surfactants and fragrance chemicals inside the same bottle cancel out those small benefits completely. Cons: releases formaldehyde over time, bottle shape traps product, heavy plastic packaging waste, marketing misleads average buyer, overpriced for basic ingredients, price around $9 per bottle. Body wash brands worth using. Number 3, Aveeno Body Wash. Aveeno is owned by Kenvue, a company that spun off from Johnson & Johnson in 2023, and it has become one of the top 3 most trusted sensitive skin body wash brands in the United States, with over $150 million in yearly US sales. The real power of Aveeno comes from colloidal oatmeal, a natural ingredient that the FDA officially approved as a skin protectant back in 2003, and studies show it can calm itching and redness in as fast as 15 to 20 minutes after use. Unlike the harsh brands you saw in Section 1, Aveeno's daily moisturizing body wash keeps its fragrance load much lower, usually under 5 scent chemicals per bottle, which makes it safe for nearly 90% of people with mild sensitive skin. The formula has a nearly neutral pH of around 5.5, which matches your skin's natural acid layer and helps stop the dryness, itching, and build-up problems we talked about earlier. More than 10,000 US dermatologists recommend Aveeno every year for patients dealing with eczema flares, winter dryness, and daily irritation. The oatmeal forms a soft, protective layer over the skin that locks in natural moisture for hours after your shower ends. Most American families also love that Aveeno is safe enough to use on babies, kids, and adults from the very same bottle without any worry. Prosgan soothes itchy winter skin. Trusted by American mums. Safe for kids daily. Found in every pharmacy. Last almost 2 months. Price: around $8 per bottle. Number 2. CeraVe Body Wash. CeraVe is owned by L'Oreal and has exploded in popularity across the United States, jumping from a quiet pharmacy brand in 2005 to over $2 billion in global sales by 2023, making it the fastest-growing skincare name in American history. What sets CeraVe apart from nearly every brand in Section 1 is its patented MVE technology, which slowly releases 3 essential ceramides into your skin over a 24-hour period, rebuilding the protective barrier that harsh sulfates from other body washes strip away. The formula also contains hyaluronic acid, a natural hydrator that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, which is why CeraVe users report softer and less itchy skin within just 7 to 14 days of daily use. CeraVe's hydrating body wash is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and uses mild surfactants instead of the harsh sodium lauryl sulfate found in cheaper brands, making it safe for even the most sensitive American skin types. It is the #1 body wash recommended by US dermatologists for dry skin, eczema, and post-shower tightness, with nearly 76% of skin doctors naming it their top choice in a 2023 industry survey. The formula was developed in partnership with real dermatologists who wanted an affordable, science-backed option for everyday American shoppers. Millions of users across the USA also love that CeraVe works perfectly on the face, body, and even hands, making one bottle enough for the whole family. Pros: rebuilds damaged skin barrier, fragrance-free for whole family, doctor recommended across America, works well in winter, lightweight and non-sticky feel. Price: around $14 per bottle. Have you ever tried CeraVe body wash? If yes, did it really make your skin feel softer? Share your honest experience in the comments below. #1 Dr. Bronner's Body Wash. Dr. Bronner's is a family-owned American company founded in 1948 and is today the #1 best-selling natural soap brand in the United States with over $170 million in yearly US sales and a cult following of more than 5 million loyal American users. What makes Dr. Bronner's completely different from every single brand in Section 1 is that it is a real soap made through true saponification of organic coconut, olive, hemp, and jojoba oils. Not a synthetic detergent pretending to be soap like 95% of bottled body washes on the market today. The brand is certified USDA, organic, fair trade, non-GMO, cruelty-free, and vegan. And each 32-ounce bottle is so concentrated that just one small teaspoon is enough for a full body shower, which means one bottle can easily last 2 to 3 months for a single user. The ingredient list is shockingly short, usually only 8 to 10 natural ingredients compared to the 30 to 50 synthetic chemicals found inside big-name brands like Dove and Olay. The famous 18-in-1 promise is not just a marketing slogan. It means the same bottle can work as body wash, hand soap, face wash, shaving soap, travel soap, and even a simple cleaner when diluted correctly. That is why families keep one bottle in the bathroom. But here is the important part. Dr. Bronner's is very concentrated, so you should not pour a large amount directly on your skin the way you would with a regular creamy body wash. Use a small amount, mix it with water in your hands, and rinse well. If your skin is extremely dry, start with the unscented baby version, because peppermint and tea tree can feel too strong. Pros: very concentrated bottle. Short ingredient list, plant-based and biodegradable. No synthetic fragrance cloud, great for travel and camping. Can replace many products at home. Price around $16 per bottle. Now be honest, which one is sitting in your shower right now? Dove, Olay, Axe, Old Spice, Suave, Dial, Irish Spring, Aveeno, CeraVe, or Dr. Bronner's? Drop the name in the comments below because I want to see what people are really using. Your skin does not need louder fragrance, brighter dye, or fake silky coating. It needs a clean formula that respects the skin barrier. Read the label, avoid harsh sulfates, watch out for heavy fragrance, and stop trusting a bottle just because the commercial looks gentle. If this review helped you today, subscribe now for more product breakdowns every week soon.